I keep telling you, it's a cryptocurrency you can trade for conventional money. Well, it's the future of currency. It's an unstoppable financial vehicle that's going to take over the world.
Cryptocurrencies made a lot of money in the last year, with a lot of cryptos reaching their highest ever price. Dogecoin became a household name when the world's richest man started tweeting about it. Bitcoin continued to shine and break even more records and reached an all-time high of $60,000. Ethereum also reached its all-time high. Various countries like El Salvador began to adopt cryptocurrency, and of course, NFTs burst onto the scenes and spread like wildfire. Welcome to Flores Online. Today I'm going to be showing you the top 5 cryptocurrencies to invest in 2022. Let's make this a little bit interesting. For every like I get on this video, I will invest $1 in each of these projects I'm going to talk about today, and I will come back here to show you whether or not I've made a profit. So smash the like icon and let's see how many likes we can get. The first crypto we're going to discuss today is Solana. Solana is a cryptocurrency that was created to fuel decentralized finance, decentralized apps, and smart contracts. It uses a hybrid proof-of-stake and proof-of-history mechanism to conduct transactions rapidly and securely. The platform is powered by Sol, Solana's native cryptocurrency. Sol's price was 77 cents when it was first introduced in 2020, but the price rose by about 13,000% by March 1st, 2022, to around $101. In May, September, and December 2021 and January 2022, the cryptocurrency market experienced crashes. Almost every cryptocurrency that isn't a stable coin suffered significant losses, but Solana was an exception, with a new all-time high of 260.06 on November 6th, but lows of $170.20 by January 1st, 2022. By the 13th of March, the coin had dropped to a 7-month low of $78, down 70% from its previous all-time high. However, since this pricing point, there has been some improvement. As of March 17th, the coin is trading at about $89.58, up 8% from its previous day's beginning price of $82.95, and is now trading at $101.35. Increased investor confidence in cryptocurrencies in 2022 might help kickstart another bull market. Solana will be recognized as a credible, cheaper alternative to Ethereum as the crypto market's confidence grows. Wallet Investor is bullish about the price of Solcoin. It reports that Solana may reach $206.75 in a year and $708.59 in 5 years. According to digital coin prices, Solcoin Price Forecast 2022, the coin will increase by about 40% in April and be worth an average of $124.12 for the month. According to the same website, the Sol price might average $129.28 in 2023 and $136.21 in 2024. In 2025, the coin might be worth $171.08, while in 2026, it could be worth $162.05. It might be worth as much as $204.05 in 2027 before rising to $277.69 in 2028. The price of a Sol coin in 2030 is predicted to be $408.52. Finally, Gov.Capital forecasts a Sol coin price of $479.95 a year from now. The most optimistic prediction of our forecasts for the Sol coin price in 2025 is for the coin to be worth over $2,000 in May of that year. This is a long shot, but it is also very possible. Another cryptocurrency to invest in is XRP. Ripple Labs was recognized as one of the 50 smartest companies by researchers at MIT University in 2014, just a few years after the release of XRP. Banks and other financial institutions gradually expressed interest in using Ripple's payment system, and more than 200 financial institutions had embraced portions of Ripple's technology 5 years later in 2019. Today, more than 300 providers from 40 countries across 6 continents use RippleNet advanced blockchain. American Express, Santander, and MoneyGram, a US-based money transfer provider, are among Ripple's early adopters. Furthermore, there are rumors that Visa and Western Union are considering making the transfer to the Ripple platform in the near future. Ripple, according to many crypto and financial professionals, has the potential to displace SWIFT as the most secure, standardized, and dependable global payment network. Ripple is the world's 8th largest cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of around $35 billion. A huge market capitalization is a powerful indicator of investor confidence, and it makes an asset more robust to volatile market cycles and dips. There might be some worry about the Ripple lawsuit, but things look like they're about to get better for Ripple. The famous Ripple versus SEC lawsuit began in late 2020 when the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, filed a complaint alleging that Ripple had executed an illegal security offering using one of the XRP digital assets. According to the SEC lawsuit, XRP is a security in the cryptocurrency market and not a cryptocurrency. This is the central point in the Ripple versus SEC case. The Ripple lawsuit claims that XRP is a currency and that it is part of the XRP digital assets. The main goal is to make cross-border payments for crypto investors for a nominal fee. The court has been denying crucial motions from both the Ripple and the SEC lawsuit. Thus, the final verdict in the Ripple versus SEC is still pending. The SEC's motion to dismiss Ripple's fair notice defense was denied, and Ripple's motion stated that there was no fair notice to show the illicit coin distribution in a highly volatile cryptocurrency market. That said, there have been rumors that the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit will be resolved in 2022. Though no exact date or a month has been named yet. And once all of this is over, we should expect a spike in the price of XRP. Cardano. Input-Output Hong Kong, the Cardano developers, just released an update with some exciting news for Cardano's future. 3 big improvements to the platform were recently implemented to boost the coin's smart contract capabilities. These added to the core network by making significant additions and enhancements. In terms of the future, the developers claim that more changes would be released soon, including the implementation of a light wallet, a decentralized app store, development tools, new APIs, and sidechains. Cardano has said that these changes would be made gradually in order to ensure the safety of its users and holders. This is fantastic news for the coin, as additional capabilities will almost certainly lead to higher adoption and usage. Even in a bad market, Cardano is continually seeking to improve its offerings. This should instill trust in investors as the project's utility continues to grow. This distinguishes Cardano from several other meme coins like Dogecoin, for example, which offers no real use other than to be traded openly. This appears to support a positive Cardano forecast, and many analysts believe ADA has long-term worth. Building the utility now might serve as a slingshot for when the crypto market heats up again, causing the price of ADA to skyrocket and potentially surpass its all-time high. Ethereum. Ethereum is a favorite of program developers because of its potential applications, such as smart contracts that run automatically when conditions are satisfied, and non-fungible tokens or NFTs. Ethereum is both a cryptocurrency and a blockchain platform. Ethereum has also exploded in popularity. Its price increased by more than 27,000% from April 2016 to the beginning of March 2020. From around $11 to over $3,000. With a market cap of $1 billion, this digital asset is the second most valuable after Bitcoin. Investors have been enticed to purchase and trade more due to its consistent growth over the last few years. The Ethereum blockchain is the primary source of Ether's value. Ethereum is the world's largest Layer 1 smart contract blockchain, which means it is too big to fail for cryptocurrency. Ether is always in the headlines as one of the top names in the market, whether it's because of an adoption news or Ethereum chain improvements. Some might argue that Ethereum will soon surpass Bitcoin in the coming years, and this might just be the case. Last, but definitely not least, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin, or BTC, is the #1 cryptocurrency, having been created in 2009 under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. BTC, like other cryptocurrencies, is based on a blockchain, which is a distributed ledger that logs transactions across a network of thousands of computers. Bitcoin is maintained safe and secure from fraudsters because updates to the distributed ledgers must be confirmed by solving a cryptographic problem, a process known as proof of work. Bitcoin's value has soared as it has grown in popularity. In May 2016, a Bitcoin could be purchased for $500, but in March of 2022, the price of a single Bitcoin was over $44,000. This equates to a 7,800% increase. Bear in mind that this isn't even its all-time high. In April of 2021, Bitcoin reached a peak of more than $63,000. The fact that Bitcoin is the most valued cryptocurrency has never been in question. Because of its global appeal and great liquidity, the prime digital asset is one of the top trading cryptocurrency possibilities. Today, only a few assets have achieved worldwide popularity through exchanges like Bitcoin. Users of this asset have a huge chance to profit from arbitrage trading. Because of all these, it is never a bad idea to buy Bitcoin. Tell me in the comment section what you think about these coins and tell me which of them you will be investing in 2022.